Hello everyone, I am Nishil, NetSuite technical consultant for Juno via team, and I'm currently working in Crow. And I'm going to tell you about the new NetSuite release 2026 that includes Prompt Studio and what are the updates that came to Prompt Studio. Now let's just, for reference, talk about Prompt Studio, like a, what Prompt Studio is like. A Prompt Studio is like a configuration tool within NetSuite AI that allows the administrator to develop, to create, customize, test, and manage and generate AI prompts across NetSuite workflows and records. So, if we talk about what is NetSuite and how NetSuite helps in Prompt Studio, it is a whole new topic to discuss. So, what will we do is uh, we will talk about what Prompt Studio does. Like it helps us to create custom AI prompts, configure prompts for specific NetSuite records, choose which AI model powers the prompt, and multiple other things like what is prompt template. So let's just take a look into what is and how can we access the prompt studio. We go to the setup company, and in there, in the AI preference, sorry, the setup company, and there in the AI preference, we have prompt studio. So since I open this, uh, like this is the prompt studio, we have the internal ID to the all the prompts that are already predefined in the NetSuite or the prompts we create. Simply, we can go to create prompt. This will open this page. That is the prompt. Here we have what is the display name we want, what are the selected target, the record we wanted to target, the field, the language. It has multiple languages, language variant, action, and the model. Model settings, the model family, maximum tokens, temperature, and all of the things. Now, talking about the template, like here we put our template. That is what we want our prompt to look like and what we want it to do. And there are the variables. Like we can use the static prompt, which does not have any dynamic variables, but we can also use dynamic variables that uses the variable from the NetSuite itself. Talking about how the prompt will look, then this is the preview, and the result to the prompt will be when we click on the generate preview, the result to it will be generated. Like I have a prompt set up for example, like this is a prompt in which we provide what output we want. Like I want a JSON value, like what we want it to do, the task, the hard rules that should not be broken, and what we wanted to extract, and this is what I want, in which form I want, and the additional required behaviors, and then the final data that I will be inputting so that the result can be generated. So currently, if I click on the generate preview, it will show an error because I have not provided the input data. I'll remove that and I generate preview. Then this is how the prompt should be looking. And once the input data is provided, then the preview result will be given. Now let's talk about all the new features that has been added to the Chrome Studio. There are only three changes that has been added in the NetSuite 2026 update. One being the in the model. Like earlier, it had only coherent command model. Now it has a new model that is GPT OSS. Uh, that is one more thing. That is a different type of model. We can simply go into the model family. In the drop down, we can select the GPT OS and see how it is different and how does it works better than the earlier model. Now, talking about the next update, the next update is the sublist variables, uh, and the in variable type we also have a sublisting. So, what is sublist variable and what is the sublist variable type? So prompt template now supports sublist variables, allowing prompt to refer data from sublist associated with target record, such as sales order line items. Uh, a new sublist variable like this and this has been added to the testing experience. This enables you to provide sample sublist data when testing prompt template and helping validate prompt before executing different sublist scenarios. Talking about these are the two updates. Now, one more update is also added to the prompt studio, and this is the final update. In action, we have optimize for AI. Like this is the final last update. So this optimize for AI
like it is a new text enhanced action we say uh, to support like unified optimize for AI text enhancement experience has been added to testing experience, we can say. This enables like a new set of custom prompts uh, like thing. More talking about this, these prompts automatically override the existing system prompt used for AI generated descriptions in custom fields. Basically, that is what it is for. And the new prompts are predefined, like pre-configured, and require no additional setup for the changes or anything that is to be implemented from our side. It is already like pre-configured and predefined.